And the next one on our list of unwrapping is Selena. ये बहुत ही pretty dove grey tones में है in contrasting tones of off-white. Let's open up the front of the outfit. It's so pretty. I love it. Very decent, very modern, yet very classy. See? Very sparsely the sequins you can feel on the outfit. It's a beautifully embroidered front. Okay. The next one is hamari sleeves aa gayi, right? And then moving on to the next part is the back. This is the back one, or it will be soft say sequins to give it a very soft, pretty look. Okay, now I will open up the laces for you. This is the very pretty pearl embellished lace for the sleeves. So nice and delicate. This one is for the back. And this one is for the front. So the front ones have pearl embellishments और ये back पे sequin embellished है. Then ये हमारी side के चाक है. And this is for the side चाक हमारी जो front के हैं with the pearls. और ये हमारी two types of हमारी crochet laces है. And these are of course आपने घेरे पे कहीं भी आप दामन में use कर सकते हो for the sleeves. Anywhere you want to use. There is quite a lot of this too. So now this is a very interesting element. ये है जी हमारी बहुत ही खूबसूरत चादर with the outfit and beautiful tones you can see. So ये जो है, let me open it up a bit for you. Okay here. तो इसके इस जगह पे हम ये लेस इसके 4 corners बनाने के लिए ये यहाँ हमारी एप्लीक हो जाएगी, right? So this is the embroidered organza for this purpose. And moving on to the next part is this trouser fabric. Hope you enjoy wearing Selena and your winters.